You are welcome on Ears Overflow. So, today we will see what is route and how to add and manage route in Angular. So, let's start.
Hello, welcome back. So, let's start the Angular routing. So, here define routes. Routes serve as the fundamental building blocks for navigation within an Angular app. So, what are routes? In Angular, a route is an object that defines which component should render for a specific URL path or pattern, as well as additional configuration options about what happens when a user navigates to that URL. Here is a basic example of the route. Okay, so uh, here you will see this site angular.dev, right? And here what I am doing is I am removing this and I will do angular.dev. I will just open this URL and then I will click something like docs. You will see this is overview. I will see tutorial. You will see this is tutorials. This is playground and this is references API. So this is how it is navigating, right? Using different routes. So here a route is an object that defines which component should render for a specific URL path or pattern. So we'll see in details later, but let's start here. Managing routes in your application. Most projects define routes in a separate file that contains routes in the file name. A collection of routes looks like this. So here this is import routes, then home page, this is admin page, and this home page and this page is different components. And here this is routes is we are defining here. Okay, and then adding route to the application here in providers we are providing, and then we will be able to use the route, right? So let's create our first route. Okay, so using I am using always practical approach. So what happens is that you will be not being boring, and also you will learn something in a different way, right? So uh here we'll see two components, home page and admin page. So let's create these components. Home page, copy this and open PowerShell and say ng gc home page. It created a component here, home page. Similarly, we will create admin page. It created admin page. Two pages, two components created, right? If you open home page here, this is home page, and this is admin page. This is admin page.html. This is home page.html. So when home page loads, it should say home page works, and when admin page loads, it should say admin page works, right? So here we are going to do is when I created application, then I found that it is already there is routes, right? app.routes.ts. Okay, so here what you can do is here you can just put this curly braces inside that path and component. So I'll just copy this and then I will paste it here. Okay, cannot find home page. import admin page, import home page. Okay, so it is imported. So this is here. Now second thing is in app-config.ts you will see something like provide router routes. This is, if not they are present, you can add this. Okay, I created and it was already present. So this is here in providers you need to provide router, then routes, and you need to import that provide router from Angular router. Okay, one most important thing that I am going to show you is in package.json. Here you will see something like Angular router. So this is definitely needed. Okay, and I am using 20.3.0. So here this is our route, and this is routers hyphen outlet. So this is we are using, and in app.ts we are importing our router.outlet. Okay, so based on the path, what is that the path is, it will load. So here this is nothing we are providing, then if there will be nothing, so it will be loading, going to load home page. Now let's go here and open the local host 4200. So here our localhost 4200 is open, and here we can see home page works. And this is because we are not going to provide here admin. Then it says admin page works. If I say admin 1, what we can see that cannot get admin 1 because we have not defined here admin 1. Okay, what if I just say admin 1, then admin page, then here I will refresh this, and we can say see that admin page works. So this is how Angular router works. Moreover, we will see up in upcoming videos how we can make Angular router more advanced. So this is till this video. Let's be connected to Inner's workflow. Thanks for watching.